Chinese chef based in Ghana for 12 years, always jokes, food speaks louder than words. He not only brings Chinese delicacy to Ghana but also trained many Ghanaian chefs who are passionate about Chinese food. Chen Guanghong worked in a Chinese restaurant affiliated with China's Gansu International Economic and Technical Cooperation Company, Limited, in downtown Accra, the capital of Ghana. The restaurant is a household name among locals because of its authentic Chinese flavor.
我们做的这个中餐，在这个加纳不但是满足了咱们这个华人的这个需求，然后更多的就是适应了当地加纳的好多客人，还有一些其他的外国客人，他们都认为咱们这个中餐是做的最地道、最好的。
I ordered for spring roll. I ordered for the dumpling. I ordered for the flowering cabbage, the egg rice, and the vegetable rice, which I'm waiting for. We are a family that we enjoy Chinese food a lot. I do myself, so I love it. I came to experience it this time.
Chen has trained dozens of Ghanaian chefs, who have been employed by some starred hotels.
近几年我带出来的这个加纳的这个厨师，就中餐厨师，他的水平高的大概有好几十个人了，有在咱们酒店继续工作的，还有去别的加纳别的这个星级酒店，还有去这个国际大型这个游轮上面做中餐的，然后在给他们教这个中餐的同时，我还会加进去一些咱们中国的这个文化。
Wisdom Kwabel, a Ghanaian chef that worked in the restaurant for 10 years, said he has decided to take Chinese cuisine cooking as a lifelong career.
I've learned about boiled spicy beef and boiled spicy fish fillets and other sauces. And the starters like special prawns, which is spicy prawns, and types of fried rice like assorted rice, special rice, and yanzu rice.
As Chinese cuisine is gaining popularity in Ghana, more and more Chinese restaurants have appeared in the country's major cities, such as Tema and Kumasi. Chen believed delicacy is a good bond between different peoples.
古话说得好，这个民以食为天。这个加纳人对咱们这个中餐如此的喜爱，就说明了这个加纳人民和这个中国人对这个美好生活的向往是一致的。所以这个饮食文化就像一条纽带一样，拉近了咱们这个加纳人民和中国人民之间的这个距离。